मैनुअल वे करवा प्रथम क्वेश्चन कौन देखिए देखो राम वाल्क्स 9 मीटर टुवर्ड्स साउथ। तो आपण मन तो जानी जे आमर डिस्टेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन नॉर्मल ड्राइंग रोची वेस्ट ईस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ। तो क्वेश्चन अनुजाई देखो राम वाल्क्स 9 टुवर्ड्स साउथ। तो राम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट हियर। सो स्टार्टिंग 9 meter towards north, then he turns to his right and moves 5 meter, then he turns to his right means either 5 meter, suppose A and B, then C, and again then he turns to his right and moves 4 meter, so again she 4 meter, and again at last he turned to his left and moved 7 meter, so he turned to his 7 and moved 7 meter. We can say that connected A is connected to E. Finally we get the question, and now we have to discussion. This is 5, the also 5, and this is 4, so this is also 4, so the rest part is 5. Now we know Pythagoras formula. I think each and everyone know very well Pythagoras formula. So we calculate the how far he is from the starting point and in which direction. So we put the Pythagoras formula. A E equal, so this is right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is height. So we calculate EF square plus FA square. We know this is 5 and also this is 5, also this is 4. So 7 plus 5 12, and FA this is 5, 12 and 5 square and 12 square, so 1 4 4 and 5 equal to 5, so root over. So we finally get the output answer. This is 13 meter. And which direction? So this is also the direction belongs to here, so the direction will come to this side. So the direction comes in south west. So बंधुगण यही फर्मुला को आम जब मध्यम मैनुअल वे करवा से बहुत समय टाइम कंज्यूम नौ, कि मुझे जो सर्टकट फर्मुला कहवाक चाहूँगी आपण मैंने कम से कम 30 सेकेंड बा 30 सेकेंड बा 40 सेकेंड रे आंसर आप पाइपर। ये फर्मुला देखो केयरफुली एवं आंसर पाई। फर्स्ट वी नो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन चार्ट, नॉर्थ साउथ वेस्ट ईस्ट। वी स्टार्ट ईस्ट साउथ वेस्ट नॉर्थ, दिस इज ए सर्किल, and we know the total angle of the circle is 360. Okay, so we start, suppose E S W N, and among the E and S and among all these there is a common angle. This is 90 angle, 90 degree at a angle between all the values, and we now calculate. Suppose what may comes E S W N. According to the question, Rama walks 9 towards south. So at first he start his journey from south. So south is starting 9 meter. Then he turn to his right. This is the, suppose this is Ram standing here. So what's right position? This is right position. This is left position. So he turn to his right and moves 5 meter. Right. This is he come which place? He come to west. This is 5 meter. Then he turn to his right again. So this is so now Ram standing is west. So his right position is north. So he is again turn to his right 4 meter. At last he turn to his left. This is now north. Now Ram is standing on north. So he is left which position will come? So west, again he come to west and he come to 7 meter. 7 meter. Now same direction, so west, adding same direction will adding. So 5 7 equal to 12. South 9, north 4. My dear friends, remember one thing, same things. Suppose south plus south equal plus, so it is adding. And opposite direction, south north, subtraction. And west east, subtraction. Same direction adding, opposite direction subtraction. And which direction get maximum value, that's from the direction. जो value जो direction रा जो value अधिक से सही direction आसीबा हमरा क्वेश्चन आंसर. So now we have to calculate south north, both are opposite direction. So south minus north, because south have maximum value, north have least value. So south 9 and north 4 equal to comes 5. So now we have to again write ESNN. So 9, that comes 12 9. So south 5 and west 12. This is southwest. We know again north, south, west, east. So southwest. Among this which angle? 90 angle. So we have put Pythagoras formula, 5 square plus bar square. So equal to comes there. Okay, right answer get it. So which direction will come? Now south and west, because the value of south 5 and west 12. This is the value, and southwest both the direction will come. So southwest. Okay, my dear friends, ଆପଣ এই ଫର୍ମୁଲା ପୁଟ୍ କରି ଅତି କମ୍ରେ 40 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇବା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ବହୁତ ସମୟ ଲାଗିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଫର୍ମୁଲା ଗୋଟେ ଥର ବୁଝିଯିବେ ତାହେଲେ ଅତି କମ୍ରେ 40 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଭିତରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆନ୍ସର ପାଇଯିବେ. ଓକେ, ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଲାଇକ୍ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ. ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଦେନ୍ ବାଏ, ଟେକ୍ କେୟାର.